Hi there, I'm Fuad and here's my fast track preparation session for Cisco 648-244 exam, which is related to designing and implementing Cisco Unified Communications on Unified Computing Systems and credits towards Cisco Administrative Policy Engine APE certification. There are two main types of resources for preparation of certification exams. First, there are the study guides and the books that are detailed and suitable for building knowledge from ground up. Then there are the video tutorials and lectures that can somehow ease the pain of thorough study and are comparatively less boring for some candidates. Yet this demands time and concentration from the learner. Smart candidates who want to build a solid foundation in all exam topics and related technologies usually combine video lectures with study guides to reap the benefits of both. But there is one crucial preparation tool that is often overlooked by most candidates: the practice exams. Practice exams are built to make students comfortable with real exam environment. Statistics have shown that most students fail not due to bad preparation but due to exam anxiety, the fear of the unknown. Anyways, I will discuss more about practice exams in more details in a minute. Let me explain to you some basic details about Cisco 648-244 exam. This exam validates the ability to describe Cisco Unified Computing System architecture, manage and maintain the BIOS and the integrated management controller, explain VMware and set up the operation system, deploy Cisco Unified Communications applications on VMware. It also deals with the ability to address the security and management needs of the data communication networks (DCN) solution and provide a platform to integrate other Cisco technologies for configuring and provisioning services. Channel partners, system engineers and network administrators usually hold or pursue this certification, and you can expect same job roles after completion of this exam. Working knowledge of Cisco Unified Communications solution and basic knowledge of PC or server components such as CPU and memory. This knowledge and skills that a learner must have before attempting this exam.
As you're now well aware about the course outline, related technologies and required skills for this exam, we now move to the exam preparation discussion. This advice is also best suited for busy professionals who have minimum time to prepare for their certification exam. Now, two types of candidates mostly attempt the exam. One who are complete beginners, and the others who are mostly professionals who have enough theoretical knowledge and they want to get a certification to validate their credentials. Now, for the beginners, there is no alternate to the study guides or tutorials recommended on the official vendor site. Even if those resources are a little pricier and detailed, you should prefer them. They're recommended for a reason. Now, you can also search around the internet or join online study groups to find relevant study materials for free or at a discount. Well, listen, no matter what type of candidate you are, to pass the actual certification exam, do not forget the practice test questions. Now, I don't know how to stress this anymore. If you have to do only one thing to prepare for the actual exam, then it must be using the practice exams. See, practice exams are built with actual exam scenarios in mind, and they let you validate your knowledge quickly. Now, Just Search provides practice exams that are created by subject matter specialists. These practice exams have multiple learning and practice modes. After you attempt a practice session, the software keeps record of your progress and shows you your weak areas. You can retake the practice test as many times as you like until you feel confident about the actual exam. Now, you can even customize your testing mode to make it more difficult as your confidence grows. And this is going to help you pass your actual exam in an amazing way. You're going to feel almost zero pressure during the exam, and the actual questions will look familiar to you. Now, you can try a free demo of these practice exams to understand how it will work, but in short, these practice tests will make you familiar with the style and format of actual exam questions and allow you to take a short mock exam to see how well you've understood and retained the learnings from the preparation material you used. So visit justcerts.com and download a free demo of the product, and I've also placed some helpful links in the description of this video, so make sure you check those out too.